Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the NVIDIA Profile Inspector error on your Windows. Let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser, okay? Then you need to look for NVIDIA drivers downloads. Click on the official website here. So this will actually, or what I mean is, doing a manual installation will actually fix this issue. So you need to identify first what is going to be your which is going to uh what your GPU is. Okay. So if you're not sure, you can go to your Windows Start menu and just look for or type about your PC. Here, graphics card NVIDIA GeForce 3060 series. Okay. So over here on the first drop down, click GeForce and then whatever series you have. I have 30 series, and then just select the appropriate one you have, right? So 3060 Ti, and whether you have Windows 10 or 11. Then click on Find. It might take a few seconds. Once done, it will show up this results. Most likely, you will be using the Game Ready driver for hardcore gamers. For more balanced driver, use the Studio version. So click on View, click on download, and just proceed with the regular installation, right? And before you do this, of course, make sure to uninstall the current GeForce you have. Download this, and once the installation has been complete, then pretty much we're good to go. It will now fix your problems. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.